A TP-Link RE705X range extender was added to a 25,000 square foot assisted living facility. There was a Wi-Fi dead zone close to the middle of the building. They had two firewalls which were causing interference with the wireless signals. This cracked MacBook Pro 2020 M1 laptop. Uh, the entire top assembly is replaced. You don't just replace the screen. In this older Acer laptop, we upgraded to a Sandisk 500 gigabyte solid state drive. And that Windows 10 and 11 are too slow if you use a mechanical hard drive, which is pictured right now.